Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy S22 Plus is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $999.99 for 128 gigabytes of storage, or $1049.99 for 256 gigabytes of storage. And you guys have 4 colors to choose from: Phantom White, Phantom Black, Pink, Gold, and Green are all available currently as of the video recording, and so are the 2 storage options. So yeah, this is the Galaxy S22 Plus. It looks like the Galaxy S21 Plus from last year, obviously, except for this, it has newer internals and stuff like that. So there's the phone. You guys have your hole punch for your front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Your SIM card is on the bottom of the phone. On the back of the phone, you guys have 3 cameras. You guys have the telephoto, wide angle, and the ultra wide camera lens on the back, along with the camera flash and your Samsung logo right here. Come the fuck on out. Fuck, man. Alright, let's continue. Sorry about that. So there's the front, like I said, hole punch with your front facing camera, earpiece, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. SIM card is on the bottom of the phone. Back of the phone, like I said, 3 cameras, ultra wide, wide angle, and a telephoto camera lens on the back, along with the camera flash, Samsung logo on the back. The left side has nothing. The camera does stick out just a bit down the back, so be mindful of that. Right side, power button, volume keys. Okay. Alright. So you guys get up to 25.74 hours of usage time on 4G, or 7.91 hours of usage time on 5G. The camera specs, like I mentioned, 50 megapixel wide angle camera with optical image stabilization with the f1.8 aperture that has autofocus, 10 megapixel telephoto camera with optical image stabilization, autofocus, and 3 times optical zoom, and then a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with the f2.2 aperture and its fixed focus. You do get camera flash. You also get portrait mode, space zoom, single take, night mode, directed view, and more. The dimensions 2.98 inches in width, 6.2 inches in height. Alright, so let me expand this right here. So it says here, meet the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, the smartphone that takes video to the next level. Communicate with friends while watching the latest videos from your favorite content creators, or create your own content with beautiful clarity with low light video capabilities that captures those late nights with perfect contrast, color, and crispness like no device before. The high resolution camera adds to the quality of your video production, allowing you to capture every moment like a true filmographer. And with a long-lasting battery, you don't have to worry about missing out on the action ahead, and you can charge quickly when you need to with 45-watt super fast charging capability. Perfect for all your content creation needs. Says here, rewrite the rules of light when you shoot video with night mode. Use the high-res camera to make your next viral video truly amazing. Take stunning portrait style photographs and keep your subject in the spotlight with portrait mode, featuring up to 3 times optical zoom, enhanced image processing, and intuitive features. I wish they would make the font a bit bigger, because I'm having a hard time saying this. The font is too small for me. I don't have the greatest vision, but I could see it a little bit, but I wish it was a bit bigger. Enjoy a better viewing experience right on your smartphone. View everything on your smartphone in pure, crisp color with Galaxy S22 Plus. Smooth, bright display. Our brightest screen ever. You can catch it all when watching your favorite content creators, top videos, or streaming your favorite shows on the go. It has the vision booster thing on here, which is new, I believe, so pretty cool. Battery. The Galaxy S22 Plus has a 4500 mAh battery. Says here an all-day battery to keep you going. The Galaxy S22 Plus comes with an intuitive battery that helps you manage your usage and conserve battery power to keep your device running all day long. Share, stream, and scroll when you want without experiencing dreaded low battery issues. Excuse me. Super fast charging capability. Need to charge, it won't take long. The Galaxy S22 Plus is compatible with 45-watt super fast charging, meaning you can charge your device quickly and dive right back into the action. Powerful processing capability. Wait less and do more of what you love thanks to the incredible fast 4nm processor found in the Galaxy S22 Plus. Streaming high def video chat with others. Stay on top of what's trending in real time at the speed you need for your life with this phone's incredible processing power. Ah, son of a bitch. Alright, there's more. Come on now. Premium design for everyday life. With a classy, eye-catching glass metal design, you will stream, scroll, and shoot in style with the sleek Galaxy S22 Plus. Premiumly crafted for everyday life, and with 5G capability, you can connect to lightning fast speed. Live stream with Google Duo. Everything is better together. Share your viewing experience with friends and family when you could watch YouTube videos from anywhere with Google Duo live sharing. Enjoy video group watch parties or stream together from anywhere with your favorite people. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure that people will take advantage of the feature. I personally wouldn't. I don't really give a fuck about it, but that's just me. Specs on this phone, obviously a flagship phone, so you guys expect flagship specs, and you guys are getting that on the Galaxy S22 Plus. Alright. So usage time is 25.74 hours on 4G or 17.91 hours on 5G. Front camera 10 megapixel, autofocus f2.2 aperture. Rear cameras, you guys get 3 cameras on the back, a 50 megapixel wide angle, 10 megapixel telephoto, and the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera lens with flash, portrait mode, space zoom, single take, night mode, director's view, and whatnot. It's a world device, which means it will work in every 200 countries depending on what plan you guys have. The height 6.2 inches, width 2.98 inches, depth 0.3 inches. The Galaxy S22 Plus weighs 6.91 ounces. Charging port, of course, is a USB type C. That's pretty much standard now. Colors, you guys get Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, Pink, Gold. Has a haze finish. 6.6-inch display, 120Hz refresh rate, 19.5:9, 6.6-inch display, dynamic AMOLED 2x Full HD plus, Corning Gorilla Glass Invictus Plus, 4500mAh battery, fast charge, wireless charging, power share. Yep. Video, 4K video on the front. Rear cameras can take 4K and 8K videos. Processor is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is the newest processor from Qualcomm. So there you have it. Android 12 with One UI 4.0. Storage options: 128 gigs or 256 gigs with 8 gigabytes of RAM. There is no SD card support. Hotspot: 5 devices on 3G and 10 devices on 4G, 5G. Security options: it does have fingerprint, which is in the display, and face recognition. Bluetooth 5.2, voice assistant, Bixby, and Google Assistant. Hearing aid: 5G, ultra wideband, 5G nationwide, 4G, global and memory network, Wi-Fi, of course, and FCC ID. If you guys need help with your Galaxy S22 Plus, Verizon has you covered with that with device support here. It says here Verizon Wireless Support best helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services, alright? So check it out if you guys ever need help with your phone. So what comes in the box is nothing special, guys, pretty much bare packaging here. You guys get the Galaxy S22 Plus prepaid smartphone, pre-installed SIM card, data cable with this Type C to Type C, quick reference guide, terms and conditions, and that is it. There is no charging brick in the box, so do keep that in mind. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus is now available at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $999.99 for 128 gigs, or $1049.99 for 256 gigabytes, right? Yep. So yeah, all colors are in stock right now currently as of the video recording. So that is a plus. So do you guys have it? Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus on Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.